Imagine your auto shop lost in the noise of St. Louis streets. Now picture AI as your secret weapon, switching the game overnight. Cars need repair, but how do they find you? Announcing the rise of AI by Powered Local Search, where technology meets grease and grit. This isn't sci-fi, it's the future knocking on your shop door today. AI scans miles of data faster than any mechanic can turn a wrench. It spots your shop when customers need it most. Right now, right here. But wait, here's the twist. AI doesn't just find you, it learns your shop's strengths, highlights your best reviews, and connects you with drivers craving reliability. America's Best Shops is leading this revolution, helping St. Louis auto repair shops explode in growth. Picture your shop buzzing with new clients, each one a perfect match thanks to AI's pinpoint precision. Don't get left behind in the digital dust. Are you ready to turbocharge your business? Could your shop become Saint Louis' next big success story through AI? The road ahead is clear. Drive into the future powered by AI and America's Best Shops. Your customers are out there searching. Will you grow or stay hidden? The choice is yours.